Yes, one, two, three. Welcome everyone. This is Finance and Freedom. Welcome on board with our first weekly market wrap up. My name is Philip Huang. I'll be taking you guys through what is happening in the market last week. Hopefully, this will help you guys for those who is not watching the market frequently, an insight on what has been moving, has been interested in the last week. And for those who are experienced or an active day trader or investors, to have another perspective on, especially in technical analysis point of view, that have been developed for the past couple of years. Please note that this is not financial advice. So before you make a decision in trading or investing, please consult a professional financial advisor and trade or invest cautiously. Now, let's get right into it. As you can see, up on my screen right here is a pair trading of IOTA and USDT. It has been a couple months of downturn in the beginning of this chart, a couple months of sideways, and until recently, just 3 days ago, that we have around 20 to 40% upside for IOTA in just 3 days. That is such an amazing move by IOTA right here. As you can see on the chart, first step, I identified the support and resistance level. This is a really crucial support level that I identify here because there's have been shoulders and heads pattern right here, as you can see, that this support level just right on its neckline. Also, descending triangle pattern here that got break out by these candle in the past few days. So this look really healthy for who has been investing in IOTA, and this might be just a beginning of a really good upside for IOTA in the future. As you can see, the volume is increasing as well. That is a really healthy sign in the bullish market. Going to RSI, the way I use RSI is really simple, guys. You see the middle point here, 50 level. Usually when RSI fluctuate below the 50 level here would be indicator of a bearish market, and vice versa if it's fluctuate above RSI here would indicate to me it's a bullish market. And right now IOTA is in a very bullish market. It's been oversold, but some people might use this indicator as like when it's oversold, it would be a selling opportunity. I'm sorry, this would be overbought, and then when it's oversold, it would be a good buying opportunity. But for me, anything higher than 50 would be bullish, and everything that lower 50 would be bearish. Just how I read the market. Going to MACD as well. As you can see, the orange line is a slow MACD that's crossed the zero level weeks ago when the shoulder and head and shoulder sort of pattern here got a little breakout, that this slow MACD indicator has gone above zero level, which is a really good indicator for a bullish market. And then again, guys, really simple concept. If the slow MACD go above zero level, it would indicate a bullish market, and if it go below zero level, it would be a bearish market. So as you can see here, um, there's a reason trade sideways here where the fast MACD has crossed over the slow MACD, and as you can see in the histogram there is a little bit of red, but this basically just sideways, and it's really hold the support around 0.9 to $1. So pretty much this $1 psychological level is very crucial, and it show a really strong support here. And you know, I I'm really optimistic about this pair here that IOTA gonna do great in the next few weeks. Just quickly head into 1 week candles. Then again, guys, MACD barely still in the bullish sort of market here, RSI as well. This candle here, the candle pair of uh, bullish engulfing. This is really good sign. As well as MACD is turning green just right here at the histogram of MACD. Weekly looking good. Monthly, wow, look at that volume there. This would be something that it's got 2 months downturn, as we know about. All of the crypto market has got 2 months downturn, but now is it gonna be the start of something gonna bloom here in IOTA? We really have to see. But overall, IOTA would be really bullish for me, for my analysis in the next couple weeks. The next one I would like to talk about is Novonix. This is the company that based in Australia. They make battery for electric vehicle battery technology. Um, Not so much about the fundamental. You guys can look it up online. But right here we can see a really big volume. And then again, when I look at stocks, I look at companies. My eye would tend to go to the volume first of all, to see if there's a lot of people interested in the company recently. And this is a really healthy side for Novonix these days. As you can see, this price over here is actually all-time high for Novonix, and this price pattern of high lows and high highs is really looking good for Novonix as well. In the RSI, again above 50 line, very bullish for Novonix, and MACD it's just over the moon. Really great, healthy bullish side for Novonix in the daily candle chart. Oh, sorry guys, I think I just clicked to monthly there. Just follow with the process. Go to weekly. Um, it's never it's been touching the 50 level of RSI, but never really crossed over. So a long bullish side here for Novonix, as well as the volume. Wow, it's just starting from 11 of May 2020, and it's just been a upside going for Novonix, and who knows where it's gonna stop. MACD as well it's above zero level, as you can see. That's a really bullish side for Novonix in my opinion. And just follow through the really simple process of looking at the market, identify bullish compared to bearish market would be a really good starting point for anyone who interested in technical analysis of the price action and stuff. Again, these recent months have been really bullish for Novotech in terms of volume, in terms of RSI, and in terms of MACD. And if anyone knows any news about Novonix, it has been interested by oil company, a long-term oil company in US called Phillips 66. They're interested in purchase share of Novonix. That's the recent news. I think that's come a few weeks ago. Again, very bullish for Novonix. So pretty much it. One from crypto market and one from the share market. Is these two is the one that I'm watching closely right now because they are in a very bullish market. I think for the next couple weeks or couple months. Um, but I'll keep in touch with you guys if anything moves on the downside, or you know I'll update you guys in the next weekly wrap up. But overall, guys, price has moved up and it moved up fast. But trade with cautious and remember to buy the deep because that's really what we trying to make profit on. Buy low, sell high. Thank you all. That will be it for this weekly wrap up. This is my first video. If you guys have any comments or anything, any feedback, please just drop down into comments and I'll take you guys feedback and improve the weekly market wrap up in the following one. Thank you all. See ya.